All right, welcome back. So this is another Carnegie Mellon activity. This one is cookie clicker. So this is a very popular thing in schools. So we're going to make a cookie clicker. Most of it's already done for us. So we have the cookie created and we have the label for the cookie clicker up here. So we can kind of see where we need to write some information in. So it says define the variable to count the number of times we clicked. And so we need to create a variable. Okay, well that's pretty simple. We're going to call it counter. And this will be important later on when we add a few more things. So let me move this up a little bit. So we have counter. Okay. And as we run this, I'm going to get an error on that, but when we click, you can see this goes up. Okay, so this right here is a label. All right. And then we're going to change the value of that label every time we click. And that's what this part is going to be for. But we're going to here create this variable. And it's going to be a label. And we're going to start with the value of 0. And it's in the middle. I mean, I can click and hold on that and see it's 200, 200. And then looks like white and size 64. So we're going to go 200, 200, and make sure this is a 0. This is just basically the starting number. All right, then we're going to say fill white, and it was size 64. Okay. Now if I run this right now, it'll show up. See, I got my 0 there, but it won't. Nothing's happening yet. Okay, so with this part, it goes up right in the solution. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to say that the counter, our name of our variable. Now maybe you call it count. A lot of times in programming languages we just use the word count, but in this case, you know, we're using counter. So we're going to say counter and then dot value. So the counter value that we have right here, we're going to have go up, and we're going to say that it's plus equal 1. So the way this works in coding when we use this plus equal here is this will take whatever the previous number was and add 1 to it, essentially. So we have 0, and then it will be 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and so on every time we click. So that's what plus equal is. It's just going to be plus 1, whatever is previously in there. So we're doing counter.value plus equal 1, and that'll just make it go up by 1. So when we run it, there's our cookie clicker. And it'll keep going up forever. Okay? So pretty straightforward, pretty simple one here. Just make sure you create your variable, and make sure you create your variable outside the function. Okay? So counter, and then we're going to add this label. This is its location right here. And then fill white size 64, and then make sure we use this because we're going to change the value of that counter each time, and that's what this 0 is. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay? All right. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.